See what happens when you add Epsom salt on your plants. Today in this video, I will show you the benefits of using Epsom salt on your plants and how to use Epsom salt on your plants. Epsom salt is chemically magnesium sulfate. Epsom salt helps roses to produce larger blossoms in greater numbers. So, roses should be fed with Epsom salt at the time of planting. Roses may also be soaked in water dissolved with Epsom salt before planting. Magnesium present in Epsom salt aids in seed germination and helps to strengthen cell walls, leading to stronger seedlings. Epsom salt helps to produce green healthy leaves on plants. Magnesium present in Epsom salt is essential for production of chlorophyll. Try sprinkling Epsom salt around your plants to achieve healthier and more green leaves. Epsom salt helps to prevent leaf curling. Leaf curling may be also caused by magnesium deficiency in plants. Again, add Epsom salt around the base of the sick plants. Epsom salt increases nutrient absorption. Many commercial fertilizers add magnesium to help plant roots to take up vital nutrients. So, adding Epsom salt into soil improves absorption naturally and eliminating need for chemical fertilizers. Epsom salt also helps to prevent pests in your garden. Hydrated magnesium sulfate crystals are sharp and when sprinkled around plants, they can scratch and irritate the bodies of pests and hence they can control and keep the harmful pests away from your garden. Now I will show you how to use the Epsom salt for your plants in your garden. Take 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt and dissolve this into 1 liter of water. I am using this to get more flowers on my plants. The doses of Epsom salt solution will vary according to the use. I will give you the doses in the description, so please check out the description below. After adding Epsom salt into 1 liter of water, you have to dissolve it well. Now our Epsom salt solution is ready. Okay, now I will show you how to use the Epsom salt solution on your plants. You can add this to your flowering plants such as hibiscus, roses and jasmine for at least once in a month. That will give you more flowerings on your plants. Okay, now I am going to add this solution into my rose plants. Okay friends, this is how you can use Epsom salt in your garden. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day guys.